Evening everyone, and welcome to the second convocation ceremony of Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University.
My hearty congratulations to each one of you and my best wishes in your chosen careers. It will be very much in place to recognize in building this institution the contribution of Shri D.J. Pandian. Mr. Pandian, you have been in the forefront of realizing our collective vision of moving PDPU from being a petroleum-focused university to a more broad-based, energy-related one.
I invite Divakar Jurani, the graduate of 2007-11 batch of SPT.
Good evening. Well, it's more of an ad hoc thing for me, so I'll be brief, and I know people over here are better speakers. So I'm here to express and not impress, and I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a supermodel, I'm not a superstar, but I'm here as a common person. I'm not a merit holder too, so I'm right here as a normal student representing what this university taught me. The inauguration day of 2007, the same two people who were sitting on the dais, Mr. Modi and Mr. Ambani, were there. And I was gracious enough to receive Mr. Modi's invitation to shake hands with him. I still have the photographs. And at that time, I said to Mr. Ambani, it was 7 in the evening, and I said, "Good morning, sir." And he was gracious enough to reply, "Good morning" in return. So, this is what happened, and that was the nervousness level then. And now, today, as I stand here, it's more of an extempore for me. And I'm not saying I have grown up, I'm the best, but I have gathered the courage enough to face what comes my way. And that is what PDPU has taught me. India is a country of perceptions. We live in perceptions. For example, we had the Sadbhavna fast. People are under the perception Gujarat में सद्भावना आ ही नहीं सकती. ये perception बन चुका है sir. But I think you went ahead and proved them wrong. In the same way, people have this thought that only the double I institutions have the whole potential to breed engineers and employees. And I think PDPU proved them wrong. People who are sitting in purple proved them wrong. People who are sitting in red proved them wrong. And people in the dais proved that the faith they had in bringing up a new institute gave the results which we are seeing today. And I think I'm talking a lot about new and creative ideas, out-of-the-box ideas. People may ask, ये आया भाषण दे के चला गया, इसने क्या किया? What did he do? I mean, what is my contribution towards it? So today, I want to say that I haven't received my first salary yet, but I want to start a PDPU Innovation Foundation. Pandian sir, please note. I want to start a PDPU Innovation Foundation, and all the students who come up with new ideas and want to convert them into innovations, they have 100% access to my entire salary, and we'll work towards the development. So that's my thought, and that would be my first gift to what Gujarat had given me. So that's it, and I think let's join hands and work together to make this country the innovation capital of the world. Thank you, and God bless you all.
अभी कुछ विद्यार्थी मित्रों ने अपने भाव प्रकट किए और भाई दिवाकर ने कहा, मैं इतना नर्वस था कि मैंने मुकेश भाई को गुड मॉर्निंग कह दिया और उन्होंने बड़ी उदारता से वैसा ही जवाब दिया। नौजवान मित्रों, ये दिवाकर का नर्वसनेस नहीं था, ये उसके दिल से निकली हुई सच्ची जुबान थी, क्योंकि यह आपके जीवन के सूर्योदय का प्रारंभ हो रहा है। मुझे अच्छा लगा जब दिवाकर ने अपना पहला पगार इनोवेशंस के लिए देने की चर्चा की। मैं बधाई देता हूं इस प्रकार का विचार आना। मित्रों, एक बात निश्चित है कि विश्व की हिंदुस्तान से बहुत अपेक्षाएं हैं और इसके लिए आवश्यकता है इनोवेशंस की।